Get ready for the dictation. Start. Before the court, and that PW1 has admitted that all the revenue records in respect of the suit schedule property stand in the name of the defendants, full stop. Exhibit P1 is the agreement of sale based on which the suit is filed for specific performance, semicolon. The second defendant used to put his signature both in English and Kannada, and first defendant used to put his signature in Kannada, and in order to prove the same, the signatures found on Exhibit P1 and the signatures of defendants 1 and 2 found on the wakalat should have been referred to examination by the expert, and the court below erred in rejecting the application filed by the plaintiff in that regard, full stop. The trial court is not justified in dismissing the suit by holding that DW2 has disputed the execution of the agreement, payment of consideration and delivery of possession of the suit property, and also erred in holding that Exhibit D1 to Exhibit D27 are proved, full stop. Therefore, the counsel for the appellant bar plaintiff prayed for setting aside the impugned judgment and decree, and to decree the suit, full point, in support of IA number 2nd filed under order 41 rule 27 read with section 151 of Code of Civil Procedure, the counsel has submitted that the second respondent, stop.